stop breathing with my nose. If I breathe with my nose, I'm gonna taste it.
Finland, yeah. I've been to Finland. It's an awesome place.
Cold.
Yeah, cool. Nice scenery.
They have a very good football team. There's a lot of snow there. Good snowboarding.
People are very chill, laid back. It's a beautiful country. Reminds me a lot of Canada, where I'm from.
And those lights on there also have in Canada.
Northern Lights, yeah.
Oh, the aura! Aura, yes!
See?
Fine. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh my goodness.
Looks like dried mushrooms.
They look like truffles.
They look like dried chocolate.
It smells funky. It smells like sausage.
Yep, that's dog food.
I'm pretty sure I broke my tooth. You know what this is?
This is fish, man.
You know the dried bacon bits?
Oh, they're stale.
I hope it's not horse meat. That'd be scary.
Oh, they're salty.
It's not pepperoni, but
Yeah, though, but this tastes like dried pepperoni.
has some sort of flavor, yeah, like that, but
Tastes
it's
like
not.
dried pepperoni.
I think it's a dried meat type of jerky.
It's kind of made me think of like the beef jerky, but it's not beef. Reindeer.
Reindeer.
Why'd you say Rudolph? They kill Santa Claus's transport.
Oh, so they're smoked with alderwood.
Oh,
And air
That's why
dry.
they're black.
Yeah, because they're
Egg rolls.
Who actually pays €8 for that? I have a better way to spend €8 in Finland. Trust me.
Oh, I know what this is!
What is that?
Ah,
Oh my gosh.
My nose is whistling.
That's probably what it's gonna look like after I eat it.
I'm so.
Ew, I can smell the vinegar!
Shall we try?
Ew, that's freaking
I like the mustard sauce.
It's cold though.
I think the mustard is camouflaging the
Yeah, the actual,
real flavor.
the real flavor.
That's sardine.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Yeah, so this should be served like cold.
It's an okay for me.
Good, huh? Good stuff.
Skånelainen sinapasili. Maybe.
Skoonalainen. Synapsili. Skanks. I mean, Skansk. Synapsil.
It's pickled herring and mustard sauce.
Pickle what?
Herring and mustard.
Herring. What's herring?
It's fish. It's a type of fish.
Ooh, candy! Wow, they're little skulls.
They look like skulls. What's so special about licorice? Oh, this is like a face. It's like a skull.
That's a very fearsome. This is like pirate candy.
I hope it's not like animal poop frosted with sugar.
That's not sugar. That's salt.
Why do you eat this kind of stuff, Finnish people? It's salt. My tongue went back. Oh. It's salt.
Wow! Yes! Okay!
Salmon-yaki?
Salmon-yaki.
But it's Finland is a very cold weather. Why do they eat so much of salt?
That's
It's a pure salt.
Jesus.
This is extra salty.
Then did you try? It's disgusting. Come try one.
No.
Seriously, come together. No, get one now.
You like licorice?
Really interesting.
Mm-hmm. Weird.
I'm gonna take
I know
my
very
nuclear
nice
noodles there.
Finnish people, but I don't really share their appetite for these kind of things.
It was interesting. Finland, you rock. And I love your food. Might not be
I love
everyone's
your
cup of
reindeers.
tea. You didn't know what a reindeer was until 10 minutes ago.
But I love them now.
Okay. You want some coffee? I got coffee. Even with my name. Huh?